Hanner awr di chwarae ar y graig Ben Wyn a'r tafliad hir I fewn i'r cwrt i'r derwyddon. Y bêl yn rhydd a George Harry yn rhwydo. Ac mae'r tîm cartre ar y blaen. A gol gynta'r derwyddon ers mis Ebrill, 7 gêm heb sgorio. Am ddiffyn bler gan y Bari, y bêl yn bownsio ddiwedd yn y cwrt cyn I Harry rwydo'i gol gyntaf I glwb newydd. Chris Huw ar arwydd at y postyn, gosod me'n mynd a Kane McLagan oedd ar peniad a mae'r Bari'n gyfartal. Gol gyngred gyntaf, Kane McLagan y tymor yma, seren y Bari yn rhwydo. Derwyddon 1 y Bari 1. Chris Huw mentro ymlaen, mae Marcus Day yn cynnig I hun allan ar y chwith. Day yn torri nôl ar y droed dde yna, Day ar croesiad, a Jordan Cottrell oedd yn cyrraedd, a'r peniad yn taro'r trawst. Cottrell a'i ben yn ei ddwylo, mi ddyle fod I rhwydo. Cottrell, chwilio am McLagan yn ei gadael I Green at Kavanagh yn cael ei lorio, ond dydi ddim yn gico'r sbotyn. Charlie Edge tackle o'r ochr, dyfarnwr yn deud fo honna'n dacl deg. 70 munud ar y cloc, Cottrell ar gic rydd i'r Bari. Tony Davies yn penio allan, Day ar y cynnig cynta. Ond y derwyddon yn clirio am y tro, mae'n ôl gan Jordan Cottrell. Luke Cummings allan ar y dde, y cefnwr yn croesi. Clayton Green yn codi ac yn penio'n wych I gefn y rhwyd. Ac mae'r Bari ar y blaen. Cummings ar croesiad, Green yn penio, wych gan y Bari. Donald Cottrell di mentro lawr y chwith. Cottrell yn gryfach na Buckley. A mae McLagan yn rhithro mewn i'r cwrt. Ac mae fewn, mae'n drydedd i'r Bari. Ail o'r pnawn I Kane McLagan. Doedd I ddim yn drosedd gan Cottrell a'r Buckley. Oedd o'n gryfach na'r amddiffynwr. A oedd McLagan yn fwy penderfynol a neb I gyrraedd honna. Cooper di gweld Cummings yn mentro lawr y dde, mae unwaith eto. Cummings yn rheoli'n hyfryd ac yn sgwario at McLagan dros y bar. Wel, ddech chi'n disgwyl I Kane McLagan bod wedi cael ei hat-trick yn fanna. Day allan at Cummings, digon amser, codi ben, y bêl yn gwahodd, Green i'w ffenio hi, dyna ma'n I wneud! A'r bêl yn hedfan dros Ben Jones I gefn y rhwyd, peniad ardderchog gan Clayton Green. 2 I Green, 2 I McLagan, 4 i'r Bari.
Look, last week against Bali was about being robust and combative, and I think the boys showed that side to them to get a point, and I think that I was happy to get that on the board, if I'm being honest with you. Today now I was delighted with a lot of what we've done. First half I thought we were the better side, but we just sort of lacked that quality in the final third. Really, we were a bit sloppy, and not really exposing type 2v1 situations. Second half we've been a bit more ruthless, and good to see us scoring goals from all over the park as well.
You got off to the best possible start, but over the 90 minutes they were just too strong, weren't they?
Yeah, I think so. I thought for 70 minutes of the game we were well in the game, and then I think we knew coming today with the amount of bodies we got missing, we knew that physically it was always going to be a massive challenge. They're probably one of the biggest, fittest, strongest sides in the league, and it took its toll in the end. I think there's the first one probably deal with, but then like I said, there's a lot of positives, there's plenty of positives from our end, but again it's another loss at the moment. Yeah.
And what was it like to have the travelling fans with you again? They were immense this afternoon.
Yeah, look, unbelievable. We never take it for granted. As I said, we've got a huge relationship with them, and they were brilliant away at Aberystwyth and great again today, and no doubt that'll continue throughout the season. Our job's to give them something to shout about.